Deep within colossal structures, the journey of an aluminum can begins, transforming raw material into everyday utility. Join us on a mesmerizing, intimate journey, exploring the intricate transformation of aluminum, from sheet metal to sealed cans. Our journey commences with vast aluminum coils, the raw essence awaiting its meticulous transformation into countless cans.
Expert logistics ensure raw materials arrive precisely, ready for the intricate processes that define modern manufacturing excellence.
Rigorous inspection ensures only the purest aluminum progresses, upholding the highest standards of quality from the very start. Advanced digital systems meticulously monitor every parameter, guaranteeing each aluminum sheet meets exacting specifications for superior quality. With immense power, automated cranes precisely position the aluminum, initiating its journey through the factory's intricate transformation. The aluminum sheet glides into the mighty rolling mill, where immense pressure begins its crucial transformation journey. Through a symphony of colossal rollers, the aluminum sheet thins rapidly, meticulously prepared for its next crucial stage. After rolling, the aluminum surface achieves flawless uniformity, a testament to precision engineering, ready for subsequent steps. Within immense ovens, aluminum undergoes annealing, a critical thermal process, enhancing its malleability and preparing it for shaping.
Expert technicians meticulously monitor annealing parameters, ensuring precise temperatures and timings for optimal material conditioning.
With a powerful, decisive impact, the blanking press precisely cuts circular aluminum blanks, initiating the can's formation. Perfectly cut aluminum blanks cascade smoothly, their pristine surfaces reflecting the precision of the initial shaping process. Thousands of blanks journey steadily along the conveyor, destined for the cupping presses, where their transformation truly begins.
Under immense pressure, flat aluminum blanks rapidly transform into shallow cups, marking the birth of the can's foundational shape. Freshly formed aluminum cups stream down, their uniform perfection echoing the precise engineering of the cupping process.
Robotic precision guides each aluminum cup, seamlessly transferring it to the bodymaker, where the can truly takes shape.
Within the powerful bodymaker, the aluminum cup dramatically elongates, transforming into the familiar, slender can body.
From the bodymaker, a continuous stream of gleaming can bodies emerges, flowing effortlessly towards the next crucial stage. The trim press meticulously shears excess metal, creating a perfectly smooth, even rim, essential for the can's integrity. Can bodies undergo rigorous washing, ensuring pristine cleanliness, readying their surfaces for the vibrant application of design. Emerging from high-speed ovens, perfectly dry can bodies gleam, primed and ready for the intricate stages of decoration and design. A final meticulous inspection ensures every dried can body is flawless, upholding the brand's unwavering commitment to superior quality. The first layer of base coat transforms the raw aluminum, preparing each can for its unique, vibrant branding and identity. Intricate printing plates, adorned with vibrant inks, meticulously transfer designs, bringing each can's unique brand to life. Freshly printed cans, adorned with vibrant designs, journey along the conveyor, each a testament to meticulous branding and precision. Within intense curing ovens, vibrant inks are baked, ensuring each can's design achieves maximum durability and lasting brilliance. Rigorous scratch tests validate ink durability, ensuring each can's vibrant design withstands daily use, maintaining its pristine appearance. Thousands of beautifully decorated can bodies journey onward, their vibrant designs a testament to precision, awaiting final shaping. Within the necking machine, the can's top precisely narrows, forming the distinctive shape crucial for sealing and functionality. The flanging process meticulously curls the can's edge, creating a perfect rim, essential for securely attaching the lid.
Fully formed and flanged, a continuous stream of can bodies journeys onward, poised for filling and their final sealing.
Pristine aluminum can lids, with their intricate pull tabs, await their crucial moment, ready to seal the can's contents. Thousands of can lids journey steadily along the conveyor, destined for the seaming machines, ensuring perfect, secure seals. Within the seaming machine, can body and lid meticulously interlock, forming a hermetic seal crucial for product integrity. Expert technicians meticulously inspect each double seam, ensuring absolute hermetic integrity, guaranteeing product freshness and safety. Fully sealed, Empty aluminum cans emerge in a continuous stream, their flawless integrity ready for filling and distribution.
Robotic arms precisely stack empty, sealed cans onto pallets, a ballet of automation, preparing them for the next stage. A colossal warehouse, brimming with thousands of perfectly stacked cans, stands as a testament to unparalleled production efficiency.
Behold the culmination, a pristine aluminum can, its vibrant design a testament to precision, ready for its purpose.
From sleek minimalism to vibrant branding, each can embodies unique identity, a canvas of aluminum artistry.
Every detail, from the ergonomic pull tab to the flawless seam, represents engineering excellence, designed for convenience.
The cool, smooth surface, adorned with carnauba, promises refreshment.
From factory to shelf, meticulously packaged, these cans stand ready, a testament to quality and consumer delight. Crisp cascade of liquid into glass, a symphony of refreshment, delivered flawlessly by its aluminum vessel.
From countless homes, aluminum cans return, fueling a vast recycling network, a testament to sustainable resource management.
Powerful magnets precisely separate aluminum, ensuring only pure material continues its journey back into the sustainable cycle. Compressed into massive bales, countless recycled cans represent a powerful commitment to sustainable resource conservation.
From molten metal, reborn from recycled cans, new aluminum ingots emerge, ready to begin their journey anew.
Cooling steadily, the newly cast aluminum ingot solidifies, a testament to recycling's power, ready for its next life. Pristine ingots, born from the recycling process, embody renewed potential. Awaiting their cycle complete, newly formed ingots return to production, a powerful testament to aluminum's infinite recyclability.
Journey culminates in this flawless form, a testament to precision, sustainability, and enduring quality.
From sleek designs to diverse sizes, aluminum cans offer unparalleled versatility, adapting to every product and brand. Even the smallest details, like embossed branding, reflect our unwavering commitment to quality and lasting impression. The can's flawless, shimmering surface embodies aluminum's inherent beauty and durability, a canvas of modern design. From sleek cylinders to innovative forms, aluminum's versatility allows for limitless design possibilities, shaping the future.
Effortlessly, aluminum cans sort, ready to be reborn, demonstrating the elegance of a truly circular economy.
Expert analysis confirms the purity of recycled aluminum, ensuring its quality matches virgin material, forging a sustainable future. Within roaring furnaces, recycled aluminum melts, a fiery rebirth, preparing for its next life as molten aluminum flows, a luminous river of recycled metal, destined for casting into new sheets and products. With meticulous care, molten aluminum pours into molds, guided by expert hands, shaping the future of sustainable products. From the mold, a pristine aluminum ingot emerges, a testament to rebirth, ready to embark on its new life cycle. Newly cast ingots journey towards the hot rolling mill, a seamless transition, beginning their transformation into fresh aluminum sheets. Within the hot rolling mill, immense pressure reshapes the ingot, creating a thinner, stronger aluminum slab, ready for further refinement. Through a relentless series of hot rollers, the aluminum slab thins rapidly, its fiery journey shaping it for precision applications.
Across vast cooling beds, hot-rolled aluminum gradually stabilize, their immense dissipating.
High-speed shears meticulously trim aluminum sheets, ensuring perfectly straight edges, a testament to precise, automated finishing.
Newly rolled aluminum sheets are meticulously spooled, forming massive coils, poised to begin their next transformative journey.
A colossal warehouse, brimming with perfectly stacked aluminum coils, stands as a testament to unparalleled production efficiency.
This pristine aluminum sheet, meticulously cut, embodies precision and quality, ready for its next transformation.
From sleek cans to architectural panels, aluminum's versatility empowers limitless design, shaping our modern world.
The subtle artistry of brushed aluminum, a tactile luxury, reflects precision and sophistication.
Aluminum, the cornerstone of sustainable architecture, inspires innovative design, shaping eco-conscious structures for future generations.
From soaring skyscrapers to sleek facades, aluminum defines modern cityscapes, embodying strength, lightness, and enduring elegance.
In the hands of an artist, aluminum transforms into exquisite sculpture, a testament to its malleability and enduring beauty.
From industrial marvel to artistic masterpiece, aluminum's versatility inspires boundless creativity.
In advanced laboratories, scientists unlock aluminum's potential, pushing boundaries in materials science, shaping future innovations. From aerospace to medical implants, aluminum's unique properties drive innovation, forming the backbone of future technologies. Aluminum's lightweight strength propels autonomous vehicles, shaping the future of transportation with efficiency and innovation. From sleek laptops to cutting-edge smart devices, aluminum elevates consumer electronics, offering both beauty and exceptional durability.
In high-performance sports, aluminum's lightweight strength crafts precision equipment, empowering athletes to achieve their peak performance.
A perfect day for a picnic, isn't it?
It really is. Cheers, everyone.
In modern homes, aluminum shines, from cookware to appliances, offering durable elegance and unparalleled functional performance. Aluminum frames power the future, supporting vast solar farms, harnessing clean energy, and championing environmental stewardship globally.
Aluminum's robust strength forms critical wind turbine components, driving clean energy generation, securing a sustainable future.
Aluminum's superior thermal conductivity silently protects electronics, dissipating heat, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Aluminum drives global logistics, its lightweight strength in trucks and containers, ensuring efficient, worldwide transport of goods. In professional kitchens worldwide, aluminum cookware reigns supreme, renowned for its even heat, empowering culinary excellence. Aluminum's aesthetic versatility shines in decorative screens, transforming interiors with intricate patterns, embodying modern elegance and luxury.
Aluminum furniture transforms outdoor spaces, offering durable elegance and luxurious comfort, perfect for modern living and leisure.
From tennis courts to baseball fields, aluminum empowers athletes, crafting high-performance gear that combines strength with lightness.
Recycled aluminum transforms into captivating art, a powerful statement of sustainability. Inspire.
Look at all these cans. We're really making a difference today. It feels good to help the planet.
Aluminum's journey, an endless cycle of innovation, sustainability, and potential, shaping our world for generations to come.